In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bookmark tweets on x.com, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few seconds. This is one of the easiest ways to save a post for later, whether it's an important update, a helpful thread, a funny tweet, or anything you want to come back to without liking it or sharing it publicly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open x.com in your browser, or open the X app on your phone and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main feed, find the tweet you want to save. This can be a tweet on your timeline, in a profile, in search results, or in a thread. Now look at the row of icons underneath the tweet. You'll usually see reply, repost, like, share, and the bookmark icon. The bookmark icon looks like a small ribbon, and it appears directly on the tweet next to the share button. To save the tweet, simply click that bookmark icon once. As soon as you do that, X will confirm that the tweet has been bookmarked. That means it's now saved to your account, and you can access it anytime later. If you ever want to check your saved tweets, look for the Bookmarks section in the left menu on desktop or inside the navigation menu on mobile. That's where all of your bookmarked posts are stored in one easy place. If you want to remove a tweet from your bookmarks later, just go back to the same tweet and click the bookmark icon again. It will be removed immediately from your saved list. So really, the whole process is just find the tweet and click the ribbon-shaped bookmark icon next to the share button. It's fast, private, and perfect for saving posts you don't want to lose. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick how-to videos on X and other platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.